So hi, hello everyone. Welcome to TerraSpatial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download Landsat 8 imagery from EarthExplorer. So once you have opened your browser, on the search, just type EarthExplorer. You can see here EarthExplorer. So you can see here the first result EarthExplorer. It arrives. Just click here. The official web link is earthexplorer.usgs.gov. You can just see here. So now we just click on the Earth Explorer, the first result. So once we have landed to the web page of the Earth Explorer, here we can download a lot of satellite products. So in order to download such products, first we must log into it. So for that, you can see the option, see on the right hand side corner, login. Just select it. And if you don't have an account in Earth Explorer, it's really easy to create an account in Earth Explorer. I have put a video on it. So how to create an account in Earth Explorer. I'll be just sharing with you in the description bar. And as well as I will be putting it in the cards. You can just check it. So right now we just sign in. So once we have signed in, so you can see two options are available. One on the right side, you can see the navigation map. You can just easily navigate to any region. And on the left side, you can see here search criteria. Here, first of all, we need to pick up the area which we are interested in. So there are multiple ways to do it. For example, I'll be taking a case of India. So I need a Landsat 8 imagery for Cochin. That is Kochi. So you can directly click on the map. So it will be highlighted here, and you can see here it has its lat long has been marked. So automatically this location can be used for searching the imagery for the particular area. Otherwise, there is another option where you can draw a rectangle like this. You can draw a rectangle of the area you are interested in. Likewise, you can just draw it. It can be of any shape. This vertex can be of any numbers as well. So here, this is one of the way to select the area of interest. There is another method for it. So I just clear the coordinates here. Here you can see US features. So if you are searching for US, you can just use it and type in the area which you are interested in. Otherwise, you can just select the world features, and we need to type the region name. So in this case, I am going to type Kochi and select the button show. So once you have selected the button show, you could see multiple results based on the name of the region. So here Kochi, you can see several places are there which is similar having their similar name Kochi. So I am going to select India. So you can see here it has been automatically selected, and you can see the lat long has been marked. So this is one of the method. So I'm going to select it using the rectangle method. As I know my area of interest, so I just select it using the rectangle method by drawing polygon. So now I have selected a region. So the next thing is that just come down here, we can specify the date range. In this case, I need it from 2021 January to 2022 April. First we need to type in the month. So I need it from January 2021 to April 2022. and here you can see search months. So you can customize the search months. For example, you don't need for all month. Instead, you are just hand picking few months. For example, in this case, I am going to pick up January, February, March, and April. So these are the months which I have selected. Otherwise, you can just leave it as it is. The result will be showing you for the 12 months. And the next thing is that we can select the cloud cover. Here defaultly it is ranging from 0 to 100 percentage. So we can't do any analysis with the cloud 100 percentage. So I'm going to reduce it and I just bring it to 20 percentage, 0 to 20 percentage of cloud cover. That is what I have selected. Or you can select 0 to 5 percentage. And the next thing is that we are going to go to the result option. Here the result per page. So how many scenes should it show? So in a page it will be showing you 10. You need some more results. It can show up to 250 per page. So here I am just opting for 10. So it is very optimal. If you need, you can just increase it. And now we go to the next option, that is selecting the data. Here you can see a lot of satellite products are available, and here we need to come down to the option Landsat series, sorry, Landsat. Just click on the plus button. You could see the Landsat collection 2 and level 2, Landsat collection 2 and level 1. Here we are going to select Landsat collection 2. Under that we need to select Landsat 8, 9, OLI, TRI series. So I'm just selecting it. So the difference between the Landsat collection 2 level 2 and Landsat collection 2 level 1 is that, so in Landsat collection 2 level 1, it will be having the Landsat 8 images will be having the panchromatic image, and you can perform the top of atmospheric reflectance. In Landsat collection 2 and level 2, we can't find the panchromatic band, as well as here the surface temperature and surface reflectance can be done. So for that it can be used. Here the Landsat 2 collection will be having the panchromatic band, and you can also calculate the top of atmospheric reflectance. So for that you can go opt for Landsat collection 2 and level 1. So these are the main difference between two of these images. So right now I have selected Landsat collection 2 and level 2. Now just go to the option additional criteria. So you can see few options are available here. So under satellite, just click on the plus add filter. So defaultly it is selected all. Here I need only Landsat 8 series, so I am just selecting Landsat 8. And here the next thing is that land cloud cover. Here we can specify how much of the scene should the cloud cover. So in this case I am going to select 0 to 18. And next is that we are going to go to the results. Just click on the results button. Now you could see here the results have arrived. There are around 7 results which is available. So you can see here, so for March month, for February, January, March. So it has been filtered based on our customization. So we have opted for a few months only. So it has been provided with those months. So here I am just selecting the image. You could see here. First I need to see the footprints. So the single image is covering this much of area. That is what you can see in the footprint. and you can see the date of acquired, that is 2021 3 20 2021 March month 02. Now you could just preview the image, show browse overlay, you can just see here. So it's just a small preview of the image, and you could see the metadata here. Just select, so you could find some more options. You can just click here and see the image, how the image looks like. You can just preview it like this. You can just preview it. You can just check the date when it was acquired. So what is the collection category? You can check the path, row, sensor, which sensor it is, which from which satellite, zone. So likewise you can see the metadata. Now in order to download this, you can see the option download. You can see the download option here. So the icon, just click here. So here product option, just click here. So the downloads can be of two methods. You can directly download the entire band set by clicking here. It is around 876.51 MB. Otherwise you can just manually download each of the bands. For example, you can just see here, this is the band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4. You can just download it individually. The advantage between these two are, while you are downloading it as a large data set, sometimes the download can be stopped because of the internet issues or some other server problem. So once it had been stopped, you need to download it entirely. So it might be taking extra time. Instead of that, you can download each band separately. It will be saving you time. So if it is cancelled also, you can just once again put it for the download. It will be downloaded quite easily. So you can just download one by one, and please make sure that you download the metadata file that you can see here. So this is the metadata file. It is having the complete information about the imagery. You can just download this. Don't forget to download the metadata file, so that will be useful for a lot of analysis. You can download by clicking this. The entire bands will be downloaded together. Otherwise you can download one by one. So you can see here band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5, 6, 7. 7 bands are available here, and band 10 is available. So in this example, I need a band 6, 5, 4, 3. So these are the bands which I required. So I just download it. So you can see here, once you have clicked, it will be automatically open a tab and it will be starting to download. You can see the download has been started here. So likewise we can download each band. So I am downloading the second band. So if you are opting for the entire image download, it might be taking some time. So that is why I have just opted to download the single bands. So this will be much faster than this. And you can see here the band 2 has been started download. So now we just go on to the band 3. So band 3 has also been started. Band 3, band 4. So likewise I am going to select and download band 5 and band 6 as well. Finally band 6. we need to download the metadata file. So likewise, you can download the each band and metadata of this imagery. Otherwise, you can also select this and download. The entire product will be downloaded. So now I'm just closing it. So you can see here, right now I have downloaded the metadata file. I have downloaded the band 4, band 2, band 1. Band 5 and band 6 are remaining. So you can see here the download has been successfully finished. We just open the folder in order to see the downloads. So you can see here we have downloaded band 1, band 2, band 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have also downloaded the metadata file. So let us open the QGIS and let us have a look at it. So now I am just opening the new empty project, adding the image, adding the band. So I have added the file here. So you can see here band 1, band 2, band 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the downloaded bands. Now I just move on to the SIP tool. Here I am going to select band set, and you could see here these are the bands which are available. So once again I just go downloads. So I just bring back the downloaded bands, select it, so let me just do once again. So let me remove this bands and put it once again. So I have cleared the entire thing. So once again I am going to select the file here. Click on the option button, open. Now you can see here these are the bands which are available. So I'm just going to stack it. So you can see here the result has come out. So you can see the imagery which we have downloaded. We can also change the bands, for example 5, 4, 3. So this is the combination which I am going to keep. So you could see here. So likewise you could just change the sequence. So if you have any doubts in downloading the Landsat 8 imagery, you can just ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching Terra Spatial. Goodbye.